In this video, I'm going to answer the question, how long does the battery last on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8? So according to the official Samsung website of there, we can read that if you have always on a display enabled, which can be toggled over here, if you have it enabled, then the battery can last approximately 30 hours, and with AOD disabled, the battery should last approximately 40 hours. Of course, these are official official amount of hours that are presented by Samsung, and in reality the real time of the battery, how long you can use the smartwatch until you have to charge again, can be quite different. Of course, this depends on what you have enabled on your smartwatch, which features are enabled, and of course AOD as well, and how often do you use your smartwatch, because if you use it all the time, then the battery will drain faster. But according to some tests performed by various websites and people, etc., the real world usage time is actually quite lower. I would say that the estimated real battery life is approximately 20, maybe 25 hours or so. And I mean the average time, of course, because like I mentioned, it depends on how you use your smartwatch, and with always on the display enabled. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.